अब एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं जिसमें दो टर्म्स गिवन होते हैं और हमें AP या nth टर्म निकालना होता है. If pth term of an AP is Q and qth term is P, then prove that its nth term is P plus Q minus N. यहाँ ऑलरेडी गिवन है कि pth term of AP is Q and qth term of AP is P और हमें प्रूव करना है that nth term of AP is equal to P plus Q minus N. ये प्रूव करने के लिए let the first term be A and common difference be D. क्योंकि pth term Q है तो AP is equal to Q. Putting value in nth term formula, Q is equal to A plus P minus 1 into D. ये है इक्वेशन 1. ऐसे ही qth term is P तो AQ is equal to P. इसका मतलब P is equal to A plus Q minus 1 into D. This is equation 2. अब सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे इक्वेशन 2 को इक्वेशन 1 से. So Q equals A plus P minus 1 into D minus P equals A plus Q minus 1 into D. तो आएगा Q minus P equals to P minus 1 into D minus Q minus 1 into D. So Q minus P is equal to P minus 1 minus Q plus 1 into D after taking D common. That is Q minus P is equal to P minus Q into D. So minus of P minus Q the whole by P minus Q is equal to D. Since Q minus P can also be written as minus of P minus Q, so D is equal to minus 1. Substituting D is equal to minus 1 in equation 1, we get A plus P minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to Q. So A minus P plus 1 is equal to Q. A is equal to P plus Q minus 1. Let the nth term be An. Then An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is equal to P plus Q minus 1 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. Since A is equal to P plus Q minus 1 and D is minus 1, this equals P plus Q minus 1 minus n plus 1. That is equal to P plus Q minus N. Hence, proved.
समझ गया सर. अब तो शैतानों की खैर नहीं.
गेम खेलो और मैथ सिलेबस कंप्लीट करो at tictacgo.com.